What's up friends, welcome to my channel. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is a premium device. iPhone 17 Pro Max will be powered by Apple A19 Pro 3nm chipset. It features a new 6-core hexa-core CPU. There will be LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED touchscreen display and measuring a massive 6.9 inches screen size and 120Hz refresh rate. The new iPhone 17 Pro Max will have 12GB of RAM and it offers 3 storage options: 256, 512GB and 1TB of internal memory. The smartphone will have a triple camera system that is made up of 48 megapixel all three sensors. The phone will come with an extra large 5000 mAh battery. Talk about the price. The expected starting price of around $1,230. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.